With the best of everything. Let's look at the ZHPUAT simple dual alarm clock with colorful display and dual USB ports, black. This is kind of a interesting new clock from ZHPUAT. So this is powered by either 3 AA batteries or USB power. This comes with a USB 2A to USB 2A cable with a nice adequate length on it. This is a nice heavy industrial looking cable in a pleasant pea green. It has dual alarms, adjustable dimmer. Get the timing right on it. 2, 3. There we go. Very dim, bright, and medium. Dual alarm, and set the time. Press our time button. Got time plus minutes, 3, 4, 5. PM, we don't want that, we want AM. There we go. So if I had some AA batteries handy, we could slap those in there and it would not lose the time set. And I am currently out. It's long before sunrise, so we will do with that. This is a nice little clock. I like the bright display. You can see that from across the room for sure. From ZHPUAT, the simple dual alarm clock with colorful display and dual USB ports, black. It is the USB in that powers the clock, and you have a USB out where you can charge your device, phone. Just plug this one into your wall wart and away you go. You don't have to worry about yet another wall wart to power the clock. You just take that right out of the loop. Very good. I think this is a JFE0305 model number. Yes, JFE0305. Get one, I did, and I'm darn happy about that.